Hi, welcome to session 8 of our class. Just another reminder, keep reading your books. You'll be having a planning session with your team soon, and that will be your final one in week 12. So you'll have to have your presentation prepared that week. So keep reading, keep taking notes. You should be done soon. The only other item for this week is to do two readings. Actually, Pedro Noguera has two short readings, and then there's an article from Lisa Delpit, who wrote Other People's Children, and it's all around culturally relevant practices and thinking about structural racism in the United States. So take notes. You're going to just be writing three important concepts. Don't write reflections with this because these authors will feed into the set of authors that you can choose from as you're writing about your culturally responsive discussion next week with your online discussion with the class. You'll be writing an essay, so pull notes that you think are important from these two readings and just turn in three concepts from each reading. Thanks, each Noguera and Delpit as a set. So it'll be 6 items that you're turning in. Don't worry about overworking, just take your own notes. Thanks. Any questions, just let me know. Have a great week.